Und Chos Máigh na gair na grein na na stad na shade na servis na na grein na Och, is bright mission, gan chwyd gan bio, gan co, gan chiste, gan sol, gan siod, gan sport, gan spiona, o siol me. And with deep affection and recollection, I often think on the Shandon bells, whose sound so widely in days of childhood fling round my cradle their magic spells, and on this I ponder where'er I wander, and thus grow fonder, sweet Cork of thee, with the bells of Shandon that sound so grand on the pleasant waters of the river Lee. And I've heard bells chiming full many's a climbing, tolling sublime in cathedral shrine, while at librate brass tongues would vibrate, but all their music spoke not like mine. For memory dwelling on each crop swelling of the belfry knelling its gold notes free, made the bells of Shandon sound far more grand on the pleasant waters of the river Lee. Och, is bright mission, gan chwyd gan tio, gan sport, gan chiste, gan sol, gan sio, gan sport, gan spiona, o sio.